Dear Chairman, dear colleagues, at the outset, allow me to express my gratitude to the United Nations, the government of Germany, and other co-hosts for organizing this ministerial meeting. United Nations peacekeeping missions are essential instruments for promoting and maintaining international peace and security. UN peacekeeping remains the most legitimate tool for preventing, managing, and resolving armed conflicts. At the same time, using this opportunity, I'm pleased to introduce the progress that Armenia has made in developing uniformed personnel for UN peacekeeping. I confirm Armenia's commitment to contribute to the international efforts supporting peace and security in the world. In addition to our ongoing contributions to UNIFIL mission in Lebanon and substantial contribution to the NATO-led peacekeeping operations, Armenia is developing two specialized capabilities, a field hospital and EOD engineering unit, along with an infantry battalion and experienced staff officers to contribute to the UN peacekeeping missions. Meanwhile, we offer new pledge to host in Armenia UN peacekeeping courses and trainings by providing the Peacekeeping Training Center of the Armed Forces of the Republic of Armenia with its personnel and infrastructure, aiming at UN certifying the peacekeeping courses held at the center and offering them to all partners. Dear Chairman, dear colleagues, I reiterate Armenia's commitment to contribute to the UN peacekeeping missions by providing responsible, well-trained and equipped troops. Thank you for attention.